So here we have this Furologee sofa table. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. There's 3 shelves, 3 drawers, a bunch of metal parts for the frame, a bag of nuts and bolts, and the instructions. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and I'll set a timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to put together the sides. They just take these 3 squared tube pieces that need to be screwed in from both ends. It's something that really should have came welded, but not a big deal, just a little bit of extra work. Anyway, now we can screw in the leveling feet, and then attach both of those sides together using the long square tube pieces. And make sure the holes are all facing up so we can attach shelves later. Next, we're going to attach this piece that's all welded together at the top, and the back of it is the side that has all the extra holes. Now screw on these 2 vertical pieces that are the drawer dividers, then put a screw in each one of those extra holes, and that'll be what stops the drawer from going all the way through. Now we can put on the top and screw it in. It just screws in from the underside. Same thing with the other 2 shelves, and these just take 4 screws each. Then there's 3 drawers to put together. You just fold them out, stick in this bottom piece, and then attach the handles using 2 screws and 2 washers through the pre-drilled holes. And finally, you can slide them into place. Alright, and there we go. It was all put together. Pretty simple build, not too difficult. Took about 25 minutes. And all the screws were the same length, so that made it even easy. The top is made of laminate and particle board, and it measures about 1/2 inch. And then the main frame of this is made of a black powder-coated square tube steel. And then these drawers are made of hardboard with a sort of fabric covering. You can see they have a print to make them kind of look like wood. They slide in and out pretty well. You can see the 2 screws back there that stop them from pushing all the way through. Oh, and it also has leveling feet. There is a little bit of wiggle, but overall it's pretty sturdy. The top shelf is supposed to be able to hold 100 pounds, and then each of those are supposed to be able to hold 60. And I tried that out with a 55-pound adjustable weight, and there is a little bit of bowing, but it's holding just fine. Here's that same 55 pounds on the top. Again, it is bowing. Now, I wouldn't put 120 pounds right in the center, but if you spread out the weight, you'll be just fine. Of course, this is meant to go behind your couch or sofa, but I think it would also work just fine as an entryway table. Overall, it's a decent build. Like usual, I really like the rustic brown laminate paired with the black metal. It's not something I'd load up with a ton of weight, but for generic items, you'll be just fine.